Involve.me is a powerful tool for building engaging forms, quizzes, and surveys to help you gather customer data and convert leads more effectively. But before you hit that buy button, there are some things you really need to know. Stick around to the end, because I'll also be showing you how Involve.me compares to other similar tools out there, so you can make an informed decision. First things first, Involve.me is incredibly versatile. You can create everything from simple forms to highly interactive quizzes, surveys, and even assessments. What sets it apart from competitors like Typeform or Google Forms is its ability to create fully branded, customizable experiences. The platform offers drag and drop features and a variety of templates to make the process easier, but it doesn't sacrifice flexibility. This is perfect for anyone who wants a solution that balances ease of use with advanced customization. Next thing to consider is integrations. Involve.me plays really well with other tools. Whether you're running an e-commerce store or have an email list, you can connect Involve.me to platforms like Zapier, MailChimp, and Shopify to streamline your workflow. Compared to some competitors, where integrations can be clunky or limited, Involve.me offers a more seamless experience. But make sure to check if it integrates with the specific software you're already using, as not all integrations are available on the lower tier plans. The third thing to note is its user-friendly interface. Even if you're not a developer or designer, you'll find it easy to create professional-looking forms and surveys. Involve.me offers a high level of customization, but its interface is simple enough that you don't need to spend hours figuring things out. It's a significant advantage over more complex platforms like SurveyMonkey, which can overwhelm beginners. Now, let's talk about pricing. Involve.me offers a free plan, which is great if you're just getting started and want to test out the features. But as you grow, you'll likely need to upgrade to access more advanced features like conditional logic or custom branding. This is where it starts to differ from free alternatives like Google Forms, which lack some of the customization and lead generation capabilities that Involve.me provides. So, you'll want to consider whether those additional features justify the price for your business. The fifth thing is the advanced analytics. One of Involve.me's standout features is its analytics dashboard. You can track conversions, see which questions your audience engaged with the most, and even A/B test your forms or surveys. If you're someone who needs detailed insights to make data-driven decisions, this feature is a game changer. Compared to other platforms like Typeform, which also offer analytics, Involve.me provides more granular data, especially if you're looking for deep insights into customer behavior. Next, Involve.me excels when it comes to lead generation and marketing automation. If you're using this tool for lead capture, you'll appreciate its ability to connect your forms with email marketing tools, CRM systems, and payment gateways. Whether you're running a quiz to generate leads or creating a product survey, Involve.me makes it easier to turn those results into actionable marketing data. This is a big plus over platforms that focus solely on form creation without the automation aspect, making Involve.me a more comprehensive choice. The last thing to keep in mind is the customer support. Involve.me offers solid support options, including live chat and email. They also have an extensive knowledge base and video tutorials to help you get the most out of the platform. While competitors like Typeform and SurveyMonkey offer support, Involve.me's response times are often quicker, and their support team is more hands-on, especially for users on higher tier plans. If you're still on the fence, let me remind you that you can try Involve.me completely free by clicking the first link below. This trial will give you a great opportunity to test out its features and see if it's the right fit for your needs. Don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity to experience Involve.me and its benefits. So, to wrap it up, Involve.me is a powerful, flexible, and user-friendly tool that stands out in the world of online forms and surveys. With its customizable features, seamless integrations, and robust analytics, it offers a great solution for businesses looking to generate leads, automate workflows, and gain valuable insights. If you want to try it out, make sure to click the link in the description for the best free trial and exclusive benefits.